Look at him holding his head up and trying to flip over. He's trying so hard.
Come on, man.
He's trying so hard.
Flip it. Come on.
You've almost got it, bud. Just a little bit more with that foot. Just a little bit more with that foot and you can flip right over. Think you're getting tired? Maybe next time, huh?